Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make this ruffle strap tank top. It's super quick and easy, and I'll be making it in a size extra small. The written pattern is available for free on my blog, and it goes from sizes extra small to 3 extra large. The link is in the description bar. You will need Aran worsted weight cotton yarn, a 5mm crochet hook, some scissors and a darning needle. Create a slip knot and insert your crochet hook into the loop. We're going to create a round of foundation half double crochets. Chain 2. Yarn over and insert your hook into the first chain. Yarn over and pull through. You should have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through 1. This creates your chain. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. This is your half double crochet. Yarn over and insert your hook in between the stitch and the chain. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 1. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. You're going to repeat this until you have 92 stitches. So yarn over. Insert your hook in between the chain and the stitch. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 1. Yarn over, pull through 3. Once you have 92 stitches, slip stitch into the first stitch. We're going to start round 2 by chaining 1 and then turning. We're going to half double crochet into each stitch. To half double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Half double crochet in each stitch. At the end of the round, slip stitch to join. And then you're going to repeat round 2 for round 3. To start round 4, I'm going to do a no turning chain stitch. Pull up a loop roughly the height of your double crochet. Yarn over. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2. Turn. We're now going to double crochet in every stitch. To double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through 2. Double crochet in every stitch in the round. And then slip stitch to join. To start round 5, do a no turning chain stitch and then turn. Double crochet into the next 8 stitches. Place 2 double crochets into the same stitch. You're going to repeat this pattern of 8 double crochets and then 2 double crochets in the same stitch all the way around. Double crochet into any remaining stitches. Slip stitch to join. To start round 6, do a no turning chain stitch and then turn. You're going to double crochet in each stitch until the end of the round. At the end of the round, slip stitch to join. You're going to repeat round 6 until round 28. To start round 29, do a no turning chain stitch. We're now going to front post double crochet. To front post double crochet, wrap your crochet hook around the front of the post instead of inserting it into the stitch. And then we're going to front post double crochet. Alternate between back post double crochet and front post double crochet until the end of the round. At the end of the round, slip stitch to join, and then fasten off. To begin the straps, create a slip knot and insert your hook into the loop. We're going to chain 40. The length of your foundation chain is the length of your strap. Add or remove chains to have a longer or shorter strap. To begin row 1, double crochet into the third chain from the hook. Double crochet into the next chain. Place 2 double crochets into the next chain. Place 2 double crochets in each chain until you have 2 chains left. Place 1 double crochet in each of the 2 remaining chains. You should have 72 stitches. To start row 2, chain 2 and turn. Double crochet in each stitch until the end of the row. To start row 3, chain 2 and turn. Double crochet in each stitch until the end of the row. Fasten off. Repeat these steps for a second strap. Pin your straps to the top, measuring in 6 cm from the edge. I recommend trying on your top and adjusting your straps as needed. Mattress stitch your straps to the body. Weave in all of your ends, making sure to close the gap at the beginning of your foundation half double crochets. And you've finished your ruffle strap tank top.